So part of the TCB process is to diagnose, then prescribe, and then act. And we want to do those probably in about a third proportions. Whereas if you look at what we do now, we probably do about 75% watching diagnoses and maybe 20% actually prescribing solutions and 5% actually acting. And I will cite voter turnout as really a key measure of how little we actually act versus how much we talk. Campaign commercials versus actually civic involvement, voter turnout, etc. So what we're talking about today is that we educate our population to believe government and civics is optional. This is at the root of our problem. It is supposed to be one and the same. The people are the government, not a separate government and citizenry. It's supposed to be interconnected and contiguous. It's not. We're here to change that. Stay tuned for different ways that we can do that, but it really starts with you.